Item Bulk Editor. Edit multiple items quickly and easily. Press Items Bulk Editor. Switch to Edit mode or Selection mode to begin choosing items. Double-click to edit item name. Double-click to edit price. Click the first cell. Then hold the Shift key and click the last cell to select a range. Right-click. Enter amount. Press Change. The price for all selected items is updated at once. Enable Selection mode. The item can be selected. Press Delete button. Confirmation appears. Press Edit button. You can modify the item details, press Batch Item Price Editor. Apply a percentage-based price change to all items at once. Apply to each department. Enable department. Enter price change percentage. Press Change Price. Confirmation appears.